Hello viewers, welcome to this session. Today we will learn natural selection and types. This is evolution topic, zoology subject. This is from Dr. K. Siv Prasad, lecturer in zoology, SVSSC Government Degree College, Solurpeta, Sri Poti Sri Ramulu Nelluru district. Learning objectives. In this lesson, we will learn the following objectives: the definition of natural selection and phenomena of natural selection types and classification, and illustrations. These are the main objectives learned in the session. Definition of natural selection. Natural selection is a process that causes groups of organisms to change over time. Animals inherit their genetics from their parents or ancestors, and the environment is constantly changing, so no organism is perfectly adapted to its environment. Thus, natural selection is constantly influencing the evolution of species. The term natural selection is most often defined to operate on heritable traits because these directly participate in evolution. Natural selection acts on phenotype characteristics of organisms which actually interact with the environment, but the genetic basis of any phenotype that gives that phenotype a reproductive advantage may become more common in population. Over time, this process can result in population that focus for particular ecological niche and may eventually result in speciation. It is a key process in the evolution of population. Natural selection is a basis of modern biology. The concept published by Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace in a joint participation of papers in 1858. Types of natural selection. Depending on which phenotype in a population are being favored, natural selection divided into three types. That is number one, directional selection or progressive selection. Next, stabilizing selection or centripetal selection. Third one, disruptive selection or diversifying selection. Directional selection. Directional selection, it favors of a population exhibiting one extreme of phenotype and produce a regular change in one direction in respect of certain character. It operates in altered environmental conditions. This selection removes individuals from one end to a phenotype distribution and thus causes a shift in the distribution. It occurs when natural selection favors one extreme of continuous variation. Eventually, the favored extreme will become more common and the other extreme will be less common or we will see mean value, blinked black line, it is constant. The conserved groups one direction is adding, other direction is eliminated. Examples of directional selection. These are some of the examples of directional selection. Evolution of long neck giraffe, industrial melanism, bacteria resistant to drug, insect resistant to DDT, evolution of man, evolution of horse. The giraffe ancestors had short neck. For getting food, they stretched their neck. The continued stretching of neck resulted in long neck today's giraffe. This is the evolution, one direction of long neck giraffe. Industrial melanism, peppered moth, Bitson butyllaria. This is second example for directional selection. The early part of 19th century, a dramatic rise of industrialization in Europe. The black sooty smoke fell upon the countryside and covered forests and fields with soot. Soot is a black powder. Soot means it is a black powder. It covers all the forest and entire environment, and it turned grey to black. The peppered moth wings color, non-melanic peppered moth moted grey with blended perfectly with lichen covered tree trunks on which moth rested during day. Until 1845, only light colored moths were known in England. After 1845, due to drastic drastic industrialization, the peppered moth turned into black, that is Bitson butyllaria carbonaria. The reason of striking melanic variety, because the sooty atmosphere. Kettlewind and H.B. Ford demonstrated this work very well. The tree's trunks, when light colored moss rests on tree trunk, it is concealed of light lichen covered tree twigs but clearly visible on sooty black tree trunks. Similar wild type of the environment's hardship much better than the wild type. In non-shooty atmosphere, Kettlewell proved that having greater survival rate because the birds could not locate them on tree trunks. In shooty atmosphere, the carbon areas were cryptically colored and the light colored moss were not. Therefore, the melanic variety became abundantly distribution in due course of time. Bacteria resistant to drug. Escherichia coli versus chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol is an antibiotic. This work done by Cavalli and Macacro. The role of directional selection on colon bacteria by transferring E. coli population to increase concentration of drug chloramphenicol, they raised population of E. coli having 250 times increased resistant to this drug. Because this is a mutant variety, the mutant resistant forms the better chances survival than the non-resistant or non-mutant bacteria. Insect resistance to DDT. The development of resistance to DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, it is an insecticide for using mosquitoes or houseflies. Sometimes it may not affect it due to they increase their immunity power. This is one of the best example. Now we are seeing this type of situation. Evolution of man. Evolution of man, Australopithecus africanus, Homo habilis, Homo ergaster, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens. The new world man This development in one direction, that is why we have showed here this example. Same way, evolution of horse. Evolutionary trends in the fossil records indicate directional selection. This is paleontological evidences of horse. Hyracotherium, the ancient horse, Mesohippus, Merychippus, Pleohippus, Equus, this is New World horse. These are all in one direction only. That is why we have showed here for directional selection or progressive selection. Stabilizing selection. Stabilizing selection or normalizing selection, it favors the average or intermediate characters. In this diagram we show here mean value black line, the other bell shaped ends are eliminated. The average values of these are conserved. The both ends of these animals during time they are eliminated. It operates only unchanging environmental conditions. This type of selection acts in the absence of environmental changes for a long period. The gene pool of population in this genetically constant and maintains the adaptiveness in natural population. Stabilizing selection, also called centripetal selection, because the average central part is conserved. That is why centripetal selection. That is why it is known as centripetal selection. Examples of stabilizing selection: mortality in babies, wings in sparrows, land snails, red checkered moth. One by one we will see here. Examples of stabilizing selection: mortality in babies. The birth weight of human babies provide nearly 7.3 pounds. Newborn infants less than 5.5 pounds or more than 10 pounds have the highest mortality rate. The graph showing mortality is virtually the complement of the survival. If below 5 pounds or above 10 pounds, the mortality rate is very high. Wings in sparrows. The next example is wings in sparrows. This example study done by H.C. Bumpus in 1899. He found that around sparrows in Rhode Island, and the birds that were killed in the storm had abnormally long or short wings are compared to average. When compared to the average, birds are survived more. If long wings, heavy body weight, or short wings, short body weight, or low body weight, birds are eliminated in catastrophic events. This is one of the examples. Land snails. Weldon, 1901, he published his work. Exact measurements were made to the shape and angles formed by the inner rolls of the shells in population of land snails. The inner rolls are formed during growth in the young stage, and they do not change in adult. The snails that survived successfully for long periods, the average only. the higher or more roles or low or smaller inner roles are eliminated. This is one of the example. Red checkered moth. This example study given by E.B. Ford. In red-cheeked moth, Panaxia dominula, an abnormal mutant variety, this variety in Britain where mass of the variety did not exist earlier. These were not able to interbreed with the wild moss. After 5 years, the descendants of this moss had normal wing coloration. This indicates that the natural selection had favored genetic combination of normal wing coloration. The stabilizing selection led to the reduction of the variance of characteristics and the population became more homologous. Stabilizing selection under it is unchanging environmental conditions. It favors unchanging environmental conditions. These are the examples for stabilizing selection. A disruptive selection or diversifying selection in the selection, two or more extreme phenotypes are favored over an intermediate phenotype in a previous homogeneous population. It indicates that the extreme value have the highest fitness and contribute more offspring to the next generation. Disruptive selection is essentially selection for diversification in respect of particular character in a population having relatively homogeneous gene pool. In these bell-shaped curves, we will see here it occurs when natural selection favors both extreme or continuous variation. It removes individuals from the center of a phenotypic distribution and thus causes the distribution to become bimodal. Eventually, the two extreme variations will become more common and the intermediate states will be less common or lost. Extreme phenotypes conserved. Disruptive selection can lead to or more new species. It operates in heterogeneous environmental conditions. Examples of disruptive selection: mimetic butterflies, bill size in finch, shell color in limpets, shell color in British land snails. Mimetic butterflies. The shallow-tailed butterfly Papilio of Africa, the males have yellow and black wings with tails. They are similar to swallow-tailed butterfly of United States. Their females are without tails. These females show different forms of mimicry, each one accurately mimicking a different testable species of butterflies, and all of them occur in the same area. Mimicry in females is associated with adaptive value of production during egg laying. Papilio dardanus, the African swallow-tailed, are mocker swallowtail or flying handkerchief. These are the some common or vernacular names of the Papilio-Dardanus. It is African butterfly. Bell size, bill size in finch birds. Bill size in black-billed seed cracker, Pyrnestys austrinus, the West African finch. West African finch. West Africa seeds are two types. These hard seeds, Scaleria verrucosa, birds with small bill feeds on soft seeds, Scaleria goosensi. Young finches whose bills deviate markedly from these two types and have intermediate beak fail to survive because they cannot use their kind of seeds effectively. This is one of the example for disruptive selection. Examples of disruptive selection: shell color in limpets. The marine mollusks range from pure white to dark tan. They are attached to white gooseneck barnacles or tan colored rocks. The white or light colored limpets, same color with white barnacles and tan barnacles, are indistinguished from rocks. Hence, they are saved from predatory shorebirds or some other predators. Limpets of intermediate shell pattern being are preyed by predatory birds. This is one of the example. Shell color in British land snail. Sepia numoralis, the British land snail, has wide distribution and wide habitat. This is also known as grove snail or brown lipped snail or lemon snail, Sepia numoralis. Here we will find three types of adaptations. It lives in grass fields, it lives in forests. In low vegetation areas, the snails with dark shells and without light colored bands are preyed by thrushes. While in forest areas, snails with light colored bands are eaten up. Therefore, the population of snails is divided into two different phenotypes living in two different habitats. The light colored snails with light bands survive successfully in grass fields, and dark snails without bands in forest habitat also survived successfully. Natural selection, replacement of disadvantageous alleles will become more advantageous. Directional selection favors non-average or specialized phenotypes under changing environment in one direction. When a population is subdivided into divergent or oscillating environment, different genotypes among the member of population are established. Since environmental conditions keep changing, the three types of selection do not remain separate but combine in different ways. The disruptive selection may follow directional selection, may further lead to stabilizing selection. The three types of selection do not remain separate but become combined in different ways. The directional selection may be followed by disruptive selection and may be followed stabilizing selection.